Hello traders, you are welcome to today's video and you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. Now in this particular video we are going to be considering a custom indicator that is designed based on the principle of the MACD, that is the moving average convergence divergence. It's just that this custom indicator is it is called MACD 4C indicator. Okay, it is for those who prioritizes trend momentum strategy. So if you are a trader who favors trend momentum strategies, then the MACD 4C indicator is for you. So this is a custom indicator, meaning that you have to download it from a reputable site online, and then after doing that, you will have to upload it on your indicators folder. I mean, you have to copy it and paste it in your indicators folder, all right? And then you would have to restart your terminal if it was formerly open. Okay, then after that you can then go to insert, you can go to indicators, custom, and then you add the MACD 4C indicator to your chart. So this is how it looks like. All right, I'm just going to reset this to the defaults. Then let's just allow these both. Okay, so we can see this is how it looks like, the default settings. All right, so as we can see, this indicator is like the MACD. This indicator is just like the MACD indicator, the moving average convergence, the standard moving average convergence divergence indicator, right? This indicator shows us momentum. Tells us when there is buy momentum in the market and when there is sell momentum in the market. So this MACD 4C indicator focuses on histogram bars. As we can see, it is just the histogram bars that are visibly displayed on the chart alongside the horizontal zero level, right? So basically when you have the MACD 4C indicator above the zero level, it shows that there is buying momentum. When you have the histogram bars flip from the negative side to the positive side, that is when it flips from below zero to above zero, it shows a buy signal. It means that it is a time to buy. Okay, so you can enter a buy trade after the first green candle forms above the zero. Okay, when you enter a buy trade, just set your stop loss below the swing low, and then for your take profit, you can decide to target the next resistance zone, or you can use any other indicator of your choice for confirmation, or you can just as well wait for the histogram bars to flip back below the zero level to exit your buy trade. Then in the case of a sell, the reverse is just the case. All right, so when you have the histogram bars flip from the positive level to the negative level, it's a sell signal. And when you enter a sell, you can set your stop loss above the swing high, and your take profit can be at the nearest support zone, or you can just wait for the MACD 4C indicator to flip back to the buy level, that is above zero, and then you exit your sell trade. So this is a very easy indicator to use. All right, it's very simple to understand and very easy to use. Now let us talk about the color codes. Okay, let's talk about the color codes. Now as we can see, let us view this. All right, let's view the colors now. We can see that we have a red color, we have a maroon color, we have a green color, and we have a lime color. All right, now when you notice a lime color form, okay, a lime color shows that we have a buy signal, right? But when you have a green color, this darker color, it shows an increase in momentum. Can we see? Or will I say volatility? Let's say a volatility, an increase in volatility. All right, so for example, you will notice that most of the times when we had darker color formed, we usually had sell candles within that period. For example, here we had a darker color form. You can see sell candles within this buy trend. You can see a series of darker colors forming here. We can see a series of sell candles. So this can show a level of volatility, right? A level of volatility even in that trend. So you might want to watch out for maybe brief consolidations and pullbacks whenever you have the darker color forming. Okay, you can watch out for pullbacks when you have darker color. When you have consecutive darker color forming, you could even have a straight pullback. Okay, but when you have a mixture of the darker color and the light, there's the lime and the green, it could just be some level of volatility happening at that point. All right, and it's the same thing for the sell. When you have a maroon color could show increased momentum or increased volatility. All right, and then when you have the red color, okay, let us start from the red color being the signal first. Let's look for a clearer signal. Okay, let's see if we can find a clearer signal. All right. Okay, now when you have the maroon color form, all right, the maroon color shows that we have a sell signal. All right, the maroon color shows us a sell signal. Then when you notice the red color now shows that volatility or shows that pullback. All right, it shows that the bearish momentum is fading. All right, the bearish momentum, as you can see, when this red color was forming, you can see that it was mostly bullish candles we were having. Okay, so when you notice a change in momentum or a weakening of the bearish momentum, you can decide to exit your sell trade at that point. Actually, you can decide to exit your sell trade because you might eventually get to a breakout point if you don't exit. For example, let us say we had a sell signal around here, right? That would have been, perhaps you would have entered somewhere here. If you had waited until this crossover happened, then you might get back to break-even level. So when using this indicator for ranging, please note that this is for a ranging market. All right, this is actually for a ranging market. This is for a ranging market. As you can see that this was a period of consolidation. But if you are using this indicator in a clearly trending market, you won't need to exit at the sight of a lighter color. You won't need to. You can just wait for a flip from bearish to positive, or from positive to negative. For example, in this case, we can see that, let us start from here. We can see that we got a sell signal around here, and then there was no need to exit after the lighter color formed because this was a clear sell trend. When you are in a sell trend or a buy trend, a strong trend, your exit signal should be when the histogram bars flip to the opposite side. But if you are trading a ranging market, then when you notice a change in momentum, a lighter color, that is for the sell, or a darker color for the buy, because when you are in the buy zone, it is the darker color that shows a change in momentum. The lighter color shows your buy signal, but the darker color shows that the bullish momentum is reducing. So in a buy trade, when you are trading when you are trading a consolidation market in a buy, a buy move, you can exit at the sight of this darker color. But if you are in a sell move, you can exit at the sight of the lighter color. But if it is a strong trend, you don't need to exit at the sight of a lighter or darker color. You just have to exit when the histogram bars flip to the opposite side. So basically, that is how to use this indicator. All right, make sure that you also confirm your signals using trend lines, using support and resistance zones. These are very important, in order to add a layer of confidence to your trades, in order to add a layer of trust to the signals, and a trust to yourself as well, because you wouldn't want to be in a situation whereby you are not confident in the trades that you are making, right? So you can also decide to add on other indicators as well for confirmations. Okay, now in terms of risk management, please make sure that you observe proper risk management. Do not trade with an amount you can't afford to lose. Make sure you always observe good risk management. All right, and make sure that you do not risk more than 2% of your capital in one single trade. Okay, capital preservation is as important as profit making. Please take note of that. So in the meantime, thank you for watching, and I hope you found this video insightful. If you did, kindly like and subscribe for more trading insights. Until next time, cheers and happy trading. I hope to see you in the next video.